Video I'm going to show you top trending niches in Christmas and New Year, and I'm also going to show you deleted designs using Merch Informer because, as you can see, we're using a calendar. We're actually here on the 13th, and the top niches coming up is basically Christmas and New Year. So if you want to see the top trending niches, keep watching. Let's go. Guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In this video, I'm going to show you the top trending niches for Christmas and New Year using Merch Informer because before I always use Flying Research, but for this video, I want to focus on Merch Informer. It's also another tool that I use for print on demand niche research. I use Flying Research for print on demand as well as KDP, but I want to do something different and use Merch Informer to search for niches for Christmas and New Year. So if that's something you're interested, keep watching. So the first search I did was for New Year. I've talked a lot about Christmas, so I wanted to begin with New Year. So research, click on Merch Hunter, and it's gonna bring you to a tool like this. We're gonna fill out Christmas shirt. No, New Year. We're starting with New Year. So New Year shirt and live products, then search. I only hit not so much when I'm searching for deleted designs. So for live products, I'm gonna click live products, then click on search, and I don't change anything here, any settings, and it brings up results. So what results are we looking at? These results right here. So the first one is a happy new year, just basic. It doesn't have any year, but this one has a year. So we're looking at the first shirts. There's something that I noticed. First of all, they're big and bold as compared to this third one here. This one is by Dr. Seuss, and the design is quite small compared to these other ones. So if you want to make designs, I recommend you make designs that are big, bold, easy to read, like these two here, the first two. And if you want to also make designs, I recommend, for example, if you have the possibility of including the year, that makes you stand out. Like this design right here included the year 2022, which is the year that we're receiving or we're welcoming. Let's scroll down and compare their sales. So this one has more sales, price 18.95, and I'm guessing this is new, but let's take a look at it on. The reason why I'm checking on it on Amazon is I want to see when it was first uploaded. So looking at this, using my extension product by Merch Amazon, it shows me that this is the rank and it was first uploaded September 2nd 2021, guys. So this is a new shirt. Let's take a look at this other shirt, the Happy New Year one. I'm guessing this is an old shirt, that's why it has a lot of reviews. So I'm gonna click here, takes me to Amazon, and let's scroll down. All right, what did I say? My prediction was correct, guys. So this was uploaded since 2019. So because this has the year 2022, that's why I guess that it's a new shirt, and it was added just September 2nd, and it's doing like close to 28 sales per month, guys. So this is the reason why I tell you to include the year to be specific, because just a general shirt like this, Happy New Year, yes, it's gonna sell every year, but a more specific niched down shirt like a year, which is this one right here, it tells you that it will make people buy it more compared to this one right here. Let's compare the BSRs. The one is 76,000, one is 108,000. I'm guessing it's because it's a new shirt, that's why it hasn't had time to rank. But I can tell you for a fact that mixing the niches Christmas and New Year, because I can see some a Christmas tree with the pandemic. This is tissue here, everything is just going on in this shirt. So this is a very good example, plus Christmas tree decor right here. So, and the candy canes, everything is just going on here, gifts, Christmas lights. This is a prime example of a shirt that you should emulate and even make better if you can. But right now, this is the best shirt that I recommend that you make similar or even better because it's doing quite well. So let's go back to Merch Hunter, look at the other shirts. So a shirt like this by Dr. Seuss or any other trademark company, I recommend that you stay away from in order to keep your account in good standing. So we're gonna look at the next set of shirts. This one just says Happy New Year, another shirt that says just Happy New Year, and another shirt that is specific and says 2022. So if you wanna I'm guessing you will know what I'm about to say, which is to make a shirt that is very specific. If you can include a year, it will be the best that I recommend, which is this one right here. It's very big, it's bold, has it's colorful, has this gold color that striking, and it has just the year 2022. So this is very easy to create, guys. So let's just take a look at the few shirts. Okay, this is another shirt, Disney. Please guys, stay away from it, keep your accounts in good standing. And this is another set of shirts, stay away from this one, emulate this one and this one. They have both it's just Happy New Year, Happy New Year, you know. So guys, another set of shirts, this one stay away too. This is Peanuts. All I want for Christmas is a new president. So this is another shirt that is both funny and related to Christmas. I think this is a Christmas shirt. Yeah, this is a Christmas shirt. So guys, let's move over to the second niche, which is the Christmas niche, using Merch Informer, because I've already started seeing some Christmas niches popping here. So let's go to and search for the Christmas niche like I did with before. I just changed the keyword to Christmas shirt, live products, then hit search. I didn't change anything here, but if you want to research for a particular marketplace, obviously you can change it here. But since I design predominantly for the US marketplace, I'm just gonna leave it there for the US. I recommend we stay away from this. Star Wars trademarked. Yeah, I've seen a lot of designs about these snitches get stitches getting removed. Anyway, after this, I'm going to show you the deleted designs using Merch Informer, which is another reason why I like using Merch Informer. I can see the deleted designs in a niche. So after these Christmas niches showing the ones which are trending, we're going to look at the deleted designs. So I'm going to keep that for last. Keep the best for last. So I would recommend you make a design like this. I've seen a lot getting removed. So all I want for Christmas is a new president. It's another shirt I recommend you get, because this is the second time I'm searching for Christmas and New Year designs, and this one is popping up, although it's just a Christmas shirt. So our next set of Christmas shirts, oh, this one is just paws. It could be a paw for a dog, paw for a cat, even paw for a bear. So just paws, the Christmas tree. I've even seen a fish on a Christmas tree, guys. That's so hilarious. I was like, what am I not going to see on a Christmas tree? I've seen dogs, I've seen cats, those ones are normal. But fish on a Christmas tree is what I haven't seen before. And this one paused, this one too is a new one. And it's doing quite well, guys. 49 ratings. And Dear Santa, they're the naughty one. That's the next Christmas design that is doing well. This one too is doing well. This one says, might as well sleep under the tree because we all know I'm the gift in the family. Wow, that's so touching. Next set of designs. This one says, the best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear. That's quite nice too, in the form of a Christmas tree. Then this one says, this is my Christmas pajama shirt. So we all know this Christmas pajama shirt niche is quite a popular niche, and although I've seen like one design, just one single design getting removed, saying this is my Christmas pajama shirt, maybe that person just copied another thing that maybe another way that someone designed their shirt, maybe that's why they got removed, or maybe their keywords, something related to that. But I've seen just one single shirt in this niche that got removed, so we should be careful with that. Anyway, I'm going to find out more about that niche when we enter the deleted designs segment. So this next one says, lucky fishing shirt, do not wash. Okay, how is that related to Christmas? Anyway, it says Christmas here, maybe that's why it popped up. No reviews available, and it's selling. Okay, So the next last set of big, bold, colorful, same as this one here, black and white on the black shirt. So if you can include all colors, making it more colorful, that's what I would recommend. That this one right here, it has green, red, purple, yellow, white. Yeah, those are basically the colors. It's quite colorful. And it says Family Christmas 2021. Whoa. All right, so we have to change this to, oh yeah, so this is correct. Family Christmas 2021. So you see there, they've included a year. So that's a way of standing out, guys. Including the year is very, very important. If you can, it makes you stand out. So let's take a look at this design. 15.99. When was this uploaded? I'm quite interested in this shirt, and each time a shirt makes itself stand out, I'm quite interested in learning more about the shirt. So this one right here was uploaded November 15, 2021, and it's already, look at the PSR, it's quite low, guys. So this is the reason why I tell you guys to always include the year if you can, to make you stand out, as opposed to regular shirts like this one. It's not going to leak itself, that have no year in it. This is my Christmas pajama shirt. You can change this one to, this is my 2021 Christmas pajama shirt if you can. It makes you stand out. So guys, in order not to make the video long, I'm just going to scroll through so you can see a bunch of designs, Christmas shirts that are selling. We already know the dabbing shirts sell. Stay away from the little design shirts. Those ones are trademarked. This one too, Star Wars, stay away. Dear Santa, before I explain, how much do you know? That's quite funny. Anyway, guys, so this is the list of designs, Christmas shirts that are doing quite well. Niching with, who is this? I don't know who this is. Warner Bros. So guys, definitely stay away. I don't know who this is, but definitely stay away. If you know who this is, please let me know in the comment section below. So in order not to make this video long, I'm gonna leave it here. And if you're interested in having merch informer, you can use the code Make Money Online, or lowercase letters, to get a 20% discount. And for Flying Research Tool, you don't need any code. The code has been included in the link. So if you're interested in getting 20% discount too, I guess you can use the code Money Online 20. Yes, you can use that code, but I already made it easy for you. I included the discount in the link, so you could either click the link or use the code. Both of them are gonna work. So all of that is found in the description below. And for the last part of the segment of this video is looking at the deleted designs. So what I did was I went for Christmas deleted designs. I click Christmas shirt, then click not so much in the US marketplace, then click search. So this is my results. So the first thing I was telling you guys is this snitches get stitches. Yeah, a bunch of them have been getting removed. I really don't know why. If you know why this design is getting removed, please let us know in the comment section below. Snitches again. This one here says Happy Hello Thanks Mass. I don't know why this one is getting removed. Obviously Rudolph, I think Rudolph is trademark, guys. So let's do a search. I basically use Flying Research for this, but you could also use Merch Informer, but I'm just going to do Flying Research search. So go here, scroll down to search, and for shirts, let's see, let me scroll back up and close this to make it bigger. Rudolph 25, guys. So I suspected that that's the reason why it's getting removed. Names, the names of people, you should always be careful with the names of people. There's a possibility that someone has trademarked their name, so always do a search in order to avoid your design getting removed, getting strikes against your account. Right here, clothing 25 is trademarked, and that's why this design was removed. Clarice too, I can do a search, but I don't want to do, because we already have one name there that is trademarked. So next, this is my, there you go, guys. So this is what I was talking about before, that this is my Christmas pajama shirt. It's one of the niches. This is one of the niches that got put off, that I was trying to explain to you guys before. So I don't know why this one got removed. Maybe the person was copying someone's design that already exists on Amazon and got removed. This one right here, Let's Go Brandon, is a niche that has quite been controversial, and I've searched for it, and people have found. Let's just do one more search, but people have found trademarks on Let's Go Brandon. So I would really recommend that you enter this niche, because once those trademarks go live, your design will definitely be in trouble. So this is what I was talking about. None has been registered yet, but a lot of Let's Go Brandon guys, look at this. All of them, like 16, filed. Any of these can go live one day, so your design will definitely be in trouble. So definitely stay away from Let's Go Brandon, but it has already been pulled. Maybe it's because of Trump's name. I have no idea. This one says snitches get stitches again, so definitely keep away from that. Gucci, are you kidding me, guys? Who is doing this? These are designs that will just close your accounts, guys. Not even a strike anymore, just close your account. This one too, I don't know, Margot. Maybe Margot is someone's name that has been trademarked too. So whatever you see in name, definitely do a search. Why is the carpet all wet? Thought. So another name too. We all know Hallmark movies. And again, Christmas pajama. This is my Christmas pajama shirt. I don't know why they keep getting removed, guys, to be sincere. But this design looks to one that is already present on Amazon. I'm guessing that's why it's removed. Grinch here. I say Grinch hand. That's why I removed too. Hallmark. So you see the kinds of designs that get removed, guys. Anything's related to movies, Hallmark movies, Grinch mass movies, Snitches Get Stitches, Margot, Rudolph, what's this? Nakatomi Plaza, that's the name of a plaza. Definitely does not belong to you guys. So that's basically the kind of shows that are getting removed. So guys, if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Priyanka and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.